Hello, this is Jan Kelly speaking. I want to show you something called imgcat, imgcat, imgcat. I don't know how to say it. Okay, so I'm in a directory here. I've got a bunch of PNG files. I think I'd like to look at one of them. This is what I can do. I can give a file name. I'm saying -W 40% because I don't want it to take the full screen. And when I do that, you see the image right in the terminal. So I'm using iTerm2. I'm on a macOS machine. And I think this would work also in other systems. Uh, and as for where it comes from, I just did a locate to find out where it is. And you see that it's in this location here. So I don't 100% know where it came from. Like whether when I installed iTerm2, it was there already, or maybe Homebrew put it there. I'm not sure. Um, I suspect the former. I suspect that iTerm2 just has imgcat built in. Pretty handy, I would say. Um, I had heard about this kind of thing before, but I never thought to try it. I think I really like it. That's the end of the video. Take care. Bye.